100 vocabulary words for general eyes reading which frequently occur. First is exotic, meaning is foreign, unfamiliar. Interpret, explain, translate. Gigantic, oversized, huge. Fascinating, exciting, catchy. Impact, effect, affect. Endangered, seriously at risk to disappear. Congestion, overcrowding. Criteria, basis, standard. Venue, place where something is organized. Choruses, together. Familiar, know well. Accommodation, place for living. Herds, a large group of animals. Questionnaire, list of questions. Extraordinary, which is not common. Appraisal, act of rating something. Unauthorized, illegal, banned. Truancy, being absent from school. Bereavement, loss, sadness. Picturesque, attractive, pretty. Extensive, large, spread out. Ambitions, goals, dreams. Procedure, process, steps. Amenities, facilities, equipments. Recruitment, hiring employees. Interrupted, disturbed and stopped. Spacious, open. Vary, change and species, kind, type. Reduction, lower, cut back. Herbivores, animals which eat plants. Assessment, giving rating to something. Manual, done by hands. Recognition, identify, acknowledge. Drowsy, feeling lazy. Annoyed, irritated, angry, prevent, stop and control. Migration, moving from one place to another. Repercussion, result, effects. Obstruction, stop, block, outstanding, rare, unusual. Then optimism, thinking positive, demonstrate, show, explain. Expedition, journey, resemble. Matches or similar, hazard, risk or danger. Vulnerability, easily get affected, or you can say touchy. Then there is immense, means many. Emphasize, focus. Next is tertiary, third in importance. Affluent, rich, wealthy. Adequate, enough. Prerequisite, necessary requirement. Peculiar, specific, notable. Commensurate, equal or relative to. Equation, having something or learning a skill. Consequences, results. Harnessing, control. Remuneration, salary. Next is aesthetic, having artistic values. Alleviate, reduce or make less. Recreational, done for enjoyment. Limitations, limits something. Habitual, in habit of. Handout, short notes. Homogeneous, of same kind. Awful, bad. Delicious, tasty. Evaluate, check. Impose, force. Predict, guess. Explicit, clear. Initiate, start. Overseas, in foreign land. Subsidy, grant, sum of money. Bigger, larger. Compatible, two things existing together without any conflict. Then norm, usual, common. Protocol, agreement. Trigger, start or stir up. Forthcoming, next, upcoming. Reluctance, hesitance. Undergo, go through or suffer. Incentives, reward. Attain, achieve. And then presume, assume, believe, inhibit, block, exceed, overlimit, evident, clear, ambient, of the area around, archaeologist who studies human history, inferior, lower in rank, quality, curriculum, syllabus, guardians, caretakers, exploit, spoil, disastrous, harmful, modification, change, detrimental, harmful, and habitat, natural, living, place. Thank you so much.